Okay, that was a little easy, but yeah. I think it's because E is like almost in every word. F is dot dot dash dot. So it would be dot dot dash dot. Like sort of like that. I know I'm a little off, but I'm using the Morse code say. I know my rhythm isn't too consistent, but we kind of get it, right? Is it still too loud? Okay. Is that right? Okay. For real? Fulgur Ovid. To be honest. Fufu-chan. Fufu-chan. I'm trying to think. Fufu-chan. Fufu-chan. And then we need another dot. Maybe we can do like... What? the things that you guys are saying are really funny. Fufu-chan. 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 Fufu-ni-chan? Oh my god! Fufu-ni-chan! Oh my god, we should do it though. Let's do it. So, Fufu-ni-chan. Fufu-ni-chan! That's actually pretty funny. Okay. Is that right? わかんない。本当にわかんない。Is that right? I'm doing it a little bit slower, so maybe it's easier. Yeah? Okay. Very long dash. Okay, that's good. Okay. Dash is a bit too long? Okay. Is that right? Is that still long? Yeah, better? Okay. Okay. That's fine. Okay, if it's fine, that's good. Fufu-ni-chan. Fufu-ni-chan. Fufu-ni... Fufu-ni... Fufu-ni-chan. Fufu-ni-chan.
Please don't kill me, Fulgur. Thank you.
Okay, okay. I think we'll get the gist of it. Okay, this one F is a little... do you think it's a little stretched? Oh, Fufu-ni-chan. Fufu-ni-chan. Is that right? Fufu-ni-chan. 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 Or is that... Fulgur Ovid might be better? Fulgur Ovid. Oh my god! Actually, you might actually be right. It might be easier to say. Fulgur Ovid. Fulgur Ovid. Fulgur Ovid. Yeah, I think that might be easier to remember. Or easier to say and remember the rhythm. Because it naturally just kind of goes like that. Fulgur Ovid. Is the O long enough? Fulgur Ovid. Do I have to hold the O long enough? Fulgur Ovid. Is that right? Yeah, I think that's easier to say and easier to remember the rhythm. Fufu-ni-chan is cute, But it's a little stretch, like Fufu-ni-chan. Well, this one like rolls off the tongue a little bit faster, or it rolls off the tongue a little bit easier. Fulgur Ovid. Yeah. I think so, doesn't it? Or we could do Fulgur-ni-chan. What do you guys think? I don't know. It's hard. Fulgur-ni-chan.
Fulgur OG.
I feel like ni is more like a dash. Okay. I mean, this is supposed to be Fulgur-ni-chan. Which one's easier? Maybe like ni-chan actually. Cause the ni-chan. Ni-chan. Fulgur-ni-chan. Not too long. I'm just thinking. Ni feels easier to emphasize. Okay, okay. Let's do that one then. I think that's a good one. Honestly, can't imagine it both ways. Okay, I think like if it's easier for you to do Fulgur Ovid than Fulgur-ni-chan, I think this one's cuter, so we'll go with this one. Okay, G Gothi's.